Dzine AI versus OpenArt AI. Which AI design platform wins explores how choosing the right AI design tool can elevate your creative workflow without complexity. Both platforms offer unique AI-powered design capabilities for creators and professionals. Dzine AI and OpenArt AI are two prominent AI design platforms. The core difference lies in their focus. Dzine AI emphasizes customizable workflows and collaboration, while OpenArt AI specializes in generating diverse artistic styles quickly with a user-friendly interface. Dzine AI is an AI-powered design platform focused on flexibility and customization. It allows users to create complex design workflows by integrating AI-driven tools tailored to specific creative needs. Dzine AI works by leveraging machine learning models that adapt to user input, enabling detailed control over design elements. Its strengths include robust collaboration features, workflow automation, and support for various design formats, making it ideal for teams and professionals managing multiple projects. However, this depth can present a learning curve for beginners or casual users looking for quick results. Dzine AI is best suited for designers who require precision, customization, and integration with existing workflows, especially in professional or agency environments. OpenArt AI is designed to simplify art creation by generating diverse artistic styles using AI. It operates through an intuitive interface where users input prompts or parameters to produce unique visual artwork rapidly. The platform excels in creativity and speed, making it accessible for artists, hobbyists, and marketers looking for quick inspiration or content generation. OpenArt AI's strengths lie in its ease of use, broad style variety, and fast output, which reduces the time from concept to final image. Its limitation is less emphasis on workflow customization or collaborative features, which may not meet the needs of complex projects or teams. OpenArt AI is ideal for users seeking a straightforward, fast, and creative AI art generation tool without the need for deep technical setup or integration. Comparing Dzine AI and OpenArt AI highlights distinct trade-offs. Dzine AI offers advanced customization and collaboration, making it suitable for professional environments where detail control and teamwork are essential. For example, design agencies managing client projects benefit from Dzine AI's workflow integrations. In contrast, OpenArt AI shines in delivering rapid, diverse artistic outputs with minimal setup, ideal for solo creators or marketers needing quick visuals. However, OpenArt AI lacks the depth of customization and team features found in Dzine AI. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you want comprehensive design control and collaboration, Dzine AI is the better fit. If speed, creativity, and simplicity are key, OpenArt AI offers a more accessible experience. Dzine AI is recommended for professionals and teams requiring detailed customization and collaborative workflows to manage complex design projects efficiently. OpenArt AI is ideal for creatives and marketers who prioritize fast, diverse artistic generation with minimal setup. Choosing the right platform depends on your workflow needs, but both Dzine AI and OpenArt AI deliver powerful AI design capabilities tailored to different user priorities.